Welcome to Cabayugan, a quiet corner of Palawan, full of charm and local life. This area is surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills, perfect for nature lovers. You'll find friendly locals who proudly share their culture and traditions. Small trails, dirt roads that lead to secret spots only locals know. It was cool to get to know them. Cabayugan is off the beaten path, but unforgettable in every way. The waters here are crystal clear, ideal for kayaking and small boat trips. It's a hidden gem for photographers with sunsets that paint the sky in gold. The area is rich with flora and fauna, from tropical birds to vibrant plants. Cabayugan is calm, peaceful, perfect for a break from the city life. Whether exploring by foot or by boat, adventure is always nearby. Until next time, peace, love.